Welcome students. Lesson number 5, expansion formulae. Today let's study the expansion of a plus b plus c bracket square. So a plus b plus c square is equal to, in first bracket, a plus b plus c into second bracket a plus b plus c. As there is a square, we can take this bracket 2 times in multiplication. So that equal to a into second bracket a plus b plus c plus b into second bracket a plus b plus c plus c into second bracket a plus b plus c. A into second bracket plus b into second bracket plus c into second bracket is equal to a into a square plus a into b, ab plus a into c, ac. Now multiply by b into a, ab plus b into b, b square plus b into c, bc, multiply by c into a, ac, c into b, bc, c into c into c square is equal to, now write this a square plus b square plus that c square. Now they write similar terms, AB, and where is AB? AB plus AB, these are similar terms. Then BC and BC plus BC 2 times. Then AC and AC plus AC, this term is also 2 times, is equal to a square plus b square plus c square plus ab plus ab 2 times, that will be 2ab, bc plus bc 2bc, ac plus ac, that is 2ac. Therefore, we have expansion of a plus b bracket square is equal to a square plus b square plus c square plus twice ab plus twice bc plus twice ac. This is the expansion of this term, and a is the first term, b is the second term, c is the third term, and its square is equal to first term square plus second term square plus third term square plus 2 into first term into second term plus 2 into second term into third term plus 2 into first term into third term. By using this formula, we have to solve the next practice set. Practice set 5.4. Question number 1, expand. Example number 1, 2p plus q plus 5 bracket square is equal to square of first term 2p square plus square of second term, that is the q square, plus square of third term, that is phi square, plus 2 into first term 2p into second term q plus 2 into second term q into third term phi plus 2 into first term 2p into third term phi. Here we use formula a plus b plus c bracket square is equal to a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ac. We use this formula: square of first term plus square of second term plus square of third term plus 2 into first term into second term plus 2 into second term into third term plus 2 into first term into third term. Here first term is a 2p, second term is a q, third term is a phi. So first term square plus second term square plus third term square plus 2 into first term into second term plus 2 into second term into third term plus 2 into first term into third term. In this way we have to expand here. Now 2 square is a 4 and p square is a p square plus square of q is a q square plus square of phi is a 25 plus, now look at 2 into 2, 4 into p into q, 4 pq, that will be 4 pq plus 2 into phi, 10 into q, that is 10q plus 2 into 2, 4 into phi, 20, so it will be 20p. Therefore we have 2p plus q plus phi bracket square is equal to, expansion is 4p square plus q square plus 25 plus 4pq plus 10q plus 20p. This is expansion of given example. Now let's solve example number 2. In this example, m is first term, 2n second term, 3r third term. So according to this formula, apply this formula for this example. First term square plus second term square plus third term square plus 2 into first term into second term, 2 into first term m into second term 2n plus 2 into second term into third term plus 2 into first term into third term is equal to square of m square plus square of 2n, 2 square is a 4, square of n is n square plus 3r, square of 3 is a 9, square of r is r square. Now 2 into 2, 4 mn plus 2 into 2, 4 into 3, 12 nr plus 2 into 3, 6 mr, m into r, that is mr. Therefore m plus 2n plus 3r bracket square is equal to m square plus 4 n square plus 9 r square plus 4 mn plus 12 nr plus 6 mr. This is expansion of the given example. Example number 3. In bracket 3x plus 4y minus 5p bracket square. Here also we use the formula a plus b plus c bracket square is equal to a square plus b square plus c square plus twice ab plus twice bc plus twice ac. That is a square of first term plus square of second term plus square of third term plus 2 into first term into second term plus 2 into second term into third term plus 2 into first term into third term. Let's apply this formula for example number 3. Here is the first term 3x, therefore we have to write 3x square plus second term is a 4y, so 4y square plus now third term is minus 5p, so we take minus 5p bracket square. It is minus 5p, don't take 5p, plus 2 into first term 3x plus into second term 4y, 2 into first term into second term plus 2 into second term 4y into third term minus 5p. Take 5p with its sign minus 5p plus 2 into first term 3x into third term minus 5p. So here we write 3 square is a 9, x square plus 4, square of 4 is a 16, square of y is a y square plus, now we know that square of pi is a 25 and square of minus pi is also 25 square, therefore square of minus pi is 25, square of p is a p square. Now 2 into 3 6, 6 into 4, 6 into 4 24, 24 x into y, that is xy plus 2 into 4 8, 8 into minus 5, that will be minus 40. Let's see, 2 into 4 8, 8 into minus 5 minus 40, and this y into p is yp. Now 2 into 3 6, 6 into minus 5, 6 into minus 5 minus 30, and now this x into p is xp. So expansion of 3x plus 4y minus 5p bracket square is equal to 9x square plus 16y square plus 25p square plus 24xy minus 40 yp minus 30xp. So this is our answer. Now question number 4. First term is 7m, second term minus 3n, and third term is minus 4k. Take any term with its sign, plus or minus. Now first term square 7m square plus second term 3 minus 3n square plus third term minus 4k square plus 2 into first term into second term, 2 into first term 7m into second term minus 3n plus 2 into second term minus 3n into minus 4k third term plus 2 into first term into third term with its sign. Now 7 square is 49 square of m square plus minus 3 square is a plus 9 and square of n square plus minus 4 square is a 16 square of k is a k square minus 4 square is a 16. Square of k is k square. Now here 2 into 7, 14. 2 into 7, 14. 14 into minus 3, 14 3s are 42, minus 42. Due to this minus sign, it will be minus 42 m into n, that is mn. Now plus, look at there, 2 into minus 3, minus 6, minus 6 into minus 4, that will be minus minus plus, plus 24. 2 into minus 3 minus 6, let's see, 2 into minus 3 into minus 4 is equal to 2 into minus 3. At first what will be? Minus 6. Minus 6 into minus 4. Here minus into minus, it will be plus. So 6 into 4 is a 24. So we write here 24 nk. Now let's see, 2 into 7 into minus 4, that will be 2 into 7 is a 14 into minus 4. Here one term is a plus and second term is a minus, so their product is a minus. So minus 14 into 4, we know that minus 56, so it will be minus 56 mk. Therefore 7m minus 3n minus 4k square is equal to 49 m square plus 9 n square plus 16k square minus 42 mn plus 24 nk minus 56 mk. So we get, this is final answer of your question. Now question number 2, simplify. Here also we use this expansion formula. In question number 1 we have to expand only one bracket, but in question number 2 we have to expand the two brackets. Now here the first bracket is x minus 2y plus 3 bracket square plus second bracket x plus 2y minus 3 bracket square. Here first term is x, therefore we take square of x minus second term plus second term is a minus 2y square plus third term is a 3 square plus 2 into first term into second term, 2 into first term x into second term minus 2y plus 2 into second term minus 2y into third term is a 3 plus 2 into first term, that is x into third term is a 3. First term square plus second term square plus third term square plus 2 into first term into second term plus 2 into second term into third term plus 2 into first term into third term. This is expansion of first bracket. Now take this sign plus sign, then square of first term x square plus second term is a 2y square plus third term is a minus 3. Take it with its sign minus 3 bracket square plus 2 into first term into second term, that is x into 2y plus 2 into second term 2y into third term is minus 3 plus 2 into first term x into third term is minus 3 is equal to x square. Now minus 2y square, minus 2 square is a 4 Square of y is y square plus 3 square is a 9 plus, now let's see, 2 into minus 2, that is a minus 4, x into y, xy. Now let's see, 2 into minus 2 minus 4 into 3, that is a minus 12y plus 2 into x into 3, 2 into 3 6, 6 into x is a 6x. Square of x, x square, minus 2 square 4, y square, 3 square 9, 2 into minus 2 minus 4, x into y, xy, 2 into minus 2 minus 4 into 3 minus 12, and this y minus 12y plus 2 into 3 6 into x, that is x. This is simplification of all these terms. Now plus square of x, x square, 2 square 4, square of y, y square, square of minus 3, it will also plus 9 plus 2 into 2 4, 4 x into y, xy plus 2 into 2 4, 4 into minus 3 minus 12, so we write here minus 12y, here 2 into minus 3 minus 6x. Now let's see which terms cancel. X square, 4y square plus 4y square don't cancel, plus 9 plus 9. Now let's see this term and this term. This term has a minus sign and this term has a plus sign, therefore these two terms cancel. Now let's see this term and this term. 6x has a plus sign and this 6x has a minus sign, therefore these two terms will get cancelled. Now write the similar terms, x square and plus x square. This term and this term are similar terms, then plus 4y square and this 4y square. Now this 9 and plus 9. Now this minus 12y and this minus 12y. Take grouping of similar terms, x square plus x square, 1x square, x square means 1x square, 1x square plus 1x square, that is a 2x square, 2x square, 4y square plus 4y square, 4 times y square plus 4 times y square, that is 8 times y square, 8y square, 4y square plus 4y square, 8y square, plus 9 plus 9, 18. Here minus sign we have to take, then 12 and 12 is a 24, 24y, that is minus 12y and minus 12y will be minus 24y. Therefore x minus 2y plus 3 bracket square plus x plus 2y minus 3 bracket square, its answer is 2x square plus 8y square plus 18 minus 24y. This is our answer. Example number 2. Now students, you have homework. Example number, question number 2, example number 3. You have homework, question number 2, example number 3. And for unit test there are lesson number 1 to 5. So solve all practice sets from lesson number 1 to 5 in your notebook, and it is homework for you. Now the question number 2 is 3k minus 4r minus 2m bracket square minus 3k plus 4r minus 2m bracket square is equal to, let's expand this bracket first, then minus and this bracket secondly. Now first term is a 3k, so we take a 3k square, first term square. Second term is a minus 4r, therefore minus 4r square. Third term is a minus 2m, third term square, plus 2 into first term 3k into second term minus 4r, plus 2 into second term minus 4r into third term minus 2m, plus 2 into first term 3k into second term minus 4r. Okay, write this here. 2 into first term 3k into third term minus 2m. Now this is expansion of first bracket. First term square plus second term is a minus 4 square plus third term is a minus 2m, that is third term square, plus 2 into first term into second term. Take the term with its sign, that is minus 4r, plus 2 into second term minus 4r into third term minus 2m, plus 2 into first term 3k into third term minus 2m, in this way. Now here is a minus sign, so we take bracket and write the expansion of this bracket. First term is a 3k square plus second term is a 4r square minus 2m square, that is third term square, plus 2 into first term 3k into second term 4r, plus 2 into second term 4r into third term minus 2m, plus 2 into first term 3k into third term minus 2m, in this way, is equal to, now 3 square is a 9, square of k, that is a k square, plus minus 4 square is a 16, square of r square, plus minus 2 square is a 4, square of m, that is m square. Now let's see, 2 into 3, 6 into minus 4, that is minus 24 kr. Now 2 into minus 4, minus 8 into minus 2, minus plus, let's see, 2 into minus 4 into minus 2, 2 into minus 4 minus 8 into minus 2, this, and now this minus will get plus, so 8 into 2 will be 16, so its answer will be plus 16 rm. Now 2 into 3, 6 into minus 2 is a minus 12, k into m, km, minus in bracket. Now bracket 3 square is a 9, and square of k is a k square plus 4 square is a 16, and this square of r is r square plus minus 2m square. Minus 2 square is a 4 square of m square. Now plus 2 into 3 6, 6 into 4 24, k into r kr plus now 2 into 4 8, 8 into minus 2, that will be minus 16 mr, or we can write rm also. 2 into 4 8, 8 into minus 2 is minus 16 rm. 2 into 3 6, and 6 into minus 2 is minus 12 km. So we write bracket is equal to 9 k square plus 16 r square plus 4 m square minus 24 kr plus 16 rm minus 12 km. Now we change the sign of each term inside the bracket because there is a minus sign. So this 9k square will be minus 9k square. This plus will be minus 16 r square. This plus will be minus 4 m square. This plus will be minus 24 kr. This minus will be plus 16 rm, and this minus will be plus 12 km. Now let's see this 9k square and minus 9k square cancel. 16 r square and minus 16 r square cancel. This 4m square and minus 4m square will get cancelled. This minus 12 km and plus 12 km will get cancelled. So what will remain here is a minus 24 kr, this minus 24 kr, then this plus 16 rm and this plus 16 rm is equal to, let's see, 24 and 24 48, minus 24 and minus 24 minus 48 kr plus 16 and 16 32 rm. So this is answer of this problem.